How to open a Blender file. First of all, open Blender on your computer. Once it launches, you will see this splash screen with several options. Among those options, click on Open. This will bring up the file browser. From here, navigate to the folder where your Blender files are saved. Once you find the file you want, click on it and then hit the Open button. Your Blender project will now load. Another method is to use the menu at the top. Click on File, then select Open from the drop-down. This also opens the file browser where you can look for your saved Blender files. These files usually have a .blend extension. After selecting your file, click Open next to the file name and Blender will load it just as it was when you last saved. Models, textures, scenes, everything. If you have recently worked on a file, there's an even quicker way. Go to File, then scroll down to Recent. This shows a list of files you have opened before, so you can access them without manually sourcing. Also keep in mind that Blender autosaves your work. If the program crashes or you forget to save, you can recover your file by going to File, then Recover and selecting Autosave. This opens a list of automatically saved versions that you can restore. And that's it. Now you know how to open a Blender file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.